2 cups of Biscuit or complete pancake mix. The only difference between using that and a flour is that this already has the salt, the baking powder, baking soda, and a dash of sugar and that kind of stuff already in it, okay? Cup of sharp cheddar and 2/3 cup of cream or milk ready to go. I'm going to take some softened butter and fold it in to the flour mixture. If you don't have Biscuit, use half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Take that butter and either cut it up real small or with the fork, start to fold it into the flour mixture. 1 stick, half a cup of butter. Give it a good couple teaspoons of garlic powder here. Take a cup of shredded cheese, sharp cheddar because they are Cheddar Bay biscuits. The cream and or milk, and we are going to mix until a shaggy dough forms. If you want to mess with the recipe, this is a perfect time to add some cooked sausage or bacon. Swiss or Gruyere works pretty good with this recipe too. Just fold that in. As soon as a good shaggy dough is there and no more flour is there, you're ready to put it on a cookie sheet. Inch round balls, about a couple tablespoons apiece. Start putting them on parchment paper. Lucky should get about a dozen. Into the oven for 400 degrees for 12 to 15 minutes. Boom. 4 tablespoons of butter. Like a half teaspoon each or whatever. Italian seasoning. Parsley. Garlic salt. Let's pop this into the microwave about 30 seconds at a time or about a minute. Make sure to cover it so it doesn't pop all over the place. Now we're going to take this butter with the pastry brush and we're going to brush it over the top of the Cheddar Bay biscuits.
If you like this video, watch one of my other ones. Hit the subscribe button. I'll see you next time on Randy's Family Kitchen.